Hi everyone! Thank you for participating in the AdHealth Life Course Microbiome study. Your role as a participant truly is the backbone of this project. Thank you for helping us gain a better understanding of how microbes influence human health. In this video, we will explain how to send your fecal sample, consent form, and questionnaire back to us at the lab so we can analyze your gut biome. Your fecal sample collection kit contains the following items: a greeting letter by the AdHealth Microbiome Principal Investigator, frequently asked questions and contact information, a copy of the full consent form. You can also download an electronic copy for your records on the AdHealth participant website, a regular-sized envelope with the consent form signature page, written instructions on how to collect your samples. A separate video also describes this. A collection sample checklist, one sample collection tube, one 3x4 Ziploc plastic bag, a pair of disposable gloves, one prepaid, pre-addressed padded shipping envelope to return everything, a registration card, a survey, and an AdHealth pen to help you fill out all of the required documents. For instructions on how to collect your sample, please watch the microbiome sample collection video. Just click on the link in the description below. In that video, we use chocolate spread to illustrate the process, but please make sure to send your sample only, not someone else's or chocolate or any other material. Before you collect your sample, please review the consent form and sign the consent form signature page, which you will find folded inside the white, regular-sized envelope. After signing, seal it in the white, regular-sized envelope and place it in the large, padded shipping envelope. You only need to return the consent form signature page. Please keep the full consent form for your records. You can also download an electronic copy of the consent form on the AdHealth participant website. Collect your sample following the instructions included in your kit or by following along with the microbiome sample collection video. After you have collected your stool sample and have closed the tube, you can pack everything up to send it to the lab in Colorado. Place the closed tube inside the Ziploc bag provided and zip up the bag. This will ensure there are no leaks in case the kit is damaged in transit. Place this into the large padded gray shipping envelope. Next, fill out the registration card and survey. You may choose to complete the survey online or by filling out the paper survey provided in your collection kit. If you would like to complete the survey online, you can do so on the AdHealth participant website. If you decide to fill out the survey questionnaire on the paper form provided, fill it out and place it along with the registration card in the gray padded envelope. Everything has a numbered barcode label on it, so please do not write your name, address, or any identifying information on anything you send back to us. This will ensure the protection of your personal information. Check one more time that the padded shipping envelope has the stool sample, the registration card, the white sealed regular-sized envelope containing your signed consent form, and the paper survey, unless you decided to complete the survey online. Remove the tape on the padded envelope flap and close it firmly. Postage is already paid for, so just drop it in any U.S. mailbox or U.S. post office. It is important that you send us your sample as soon as possible after collecting it, preferably the same day. Do not store it in the refrigerator or freezer. If you must wait a day before mailing, just keep the package at room temperature. Once AdHealth receives your sample, you will be mailed your incentive. To ensure you receive your incentive, please make sure AdHealth has your updated mailing address. If you think your mailing address may have changed since receiving your collection kit, please update your contact information on the AdHealth website or by calling or emailing the AdHealth team. Thank you.